To fix Windows 11 laptop overheating problem, first you need to check CPU usage. Right-click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, click on CPU. Once you'll find the application, simply select it and click on End Task, and close all unnecessary application running in the background. If one program constantly uses over 40 to 50% CPU, then you can simply uninstall that application and reinstall it on your PC. Afterward, check if that helps you to fix overheating problem. Next, you can reduce maximum processor state. Click in search, type control, select open. Change the view by option to large icons. Here you will see power option, open it. Then select change power plan settings. Select this option as per the power plan you have selected. Now click on change advanced power settings. Here you will see processor power management. You simply need to expand that one. In that you will see another option, maximum processor state. Expand that one too. Set it to 99% for on battery and plugged in. Afterwards, click on apply and OK. Hopefully, this will help you out to fix your problem. If you still need help, you can contact us on our Facebook or Instagram page. See you in the next video.